perfectly packed carry-on can save time, money, and stress. No more overstuffed bags, last-minute airport panic, or unnecessary fees. With the right strategy, everything fits neatly, and you breeze through security like a pro. Here's how to maximize space, stay organized, and pack efficiently for any trip. Start with a high-quality, lightweight carry-on that meets airline size restrictions. A hard-shell suitcase protects delicate items, while a soft-sided bag offers flexibility for squeezing into overhead bins. Opt for one with multiple compartments to keep essentials organized. Instead of folding clothes, roll them tightly. This technique saves space and prevents wrinkles. Stack heavier items like jeans and jackets at the bottom, followed by lighter garments such as t-shirts and dresses. Use packing cubes for extra organization, separating categories like tops, bottoms, and undergarments. Shoes. Place them at the edges of the bag, stuffing socks or small items inside to save space. Belts. Coil them inside shirt collars to maintain shape and minimize bulk. Underwear and accessories. Fill empty gaps with smaller items, ensuring no space is wasted. Compression bags. Use these for bulkier clothing like jackets and sweaters to reduce volume. All liquids, gels, and aerosols must fit in a single quart-sized resealable bag, with each container no larger than 3.4 ounces. Place this in an easily accessible pocket for quick removal during security checks. Solid toiletries like bar soap and shampoo bars help bypass liquid restrictions altogether. Pack important items, passport, wallet, phone chargers, and medications, in a small, easy-to-reach pouch. A lightweight tote or backpack serves as a personal item, providing extra space for travel necessities like snacks, a book, or a travel pillow. Wear slip-on shoes and avoid excessive jewelry to speed up the TSA process. Place electronics in a separate compartment for quick access. A pre-packed TSA-approved toiletry bag ensures a smooth experience at security checkpoints. Packing a carry-on like a pro is all about efficiency, organization, and smart choices. Stick to the essentials, maximize space with strategic packing, and keep everything organized for a stress-free journey. Travel light, stay prepared, and enjoy the trip without the hassle of checked bags. Safe travels.